I know how overwhelming it can be to find the right fishing gear, especially if you're just starting out. I bought and tested these combos so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let me guide you through the top 5 fishing rod and reel combos that are perfect for beginners.
Product number 1. Placino Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. When I first laid my hands on the Placino Fishing Rod and Reel Combo, I was excited to see how it would perform. Weighing in at just 267 grams, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around on fishing trips. The 100% carbon fiber construction gives it that perfect elasticity, which means even when you hook a big one, the pole bends just right without snapping. I took it out to a local lake, and the telescopic feature was a game changer. I could extend it to 2.4 meters for a longer reach, or collapse it down for easy transport. The stainless steel hooded reel seat is a thoughtful touch, especially when fishing in saltwater conditions, as it prevents corrosion. Pros: the rod is incredibly durable thanks to the carbon fiber and fiberglass mix. The EVA foregrip is comfortable, allowing for prolonged use without discomfort, which I truly appreciated during long fishing sessions. The instant anti-reverse mechanism is a fantastic feature that ensures I never miss a catch. The spool's large capacity enables me to fish with various line types. Cons: the only downside is that the combo does not come with lures or line included, which means you'll need to invest a bit more initially. Why buy it? If you're looking for something portable and reliable, this combo fits the bill perfectly. It's an excellent choice for beginners who want to ease into fishing without breaking the bank.
Product number 2. Placino Full Fishing Kit. The Placino Full Fishing Kit is another fantastic option I tried out. This kit is perfect for novices, as it includes everything a beginner might need: lures, hooks, line, and a carrier case. This all-in-one approach means you can hit the water right away without any additional purchases. The 8.86-foot rod provides ample length for casting, and the carbon fiber construction ensures it can handle a variety of fish. Pros: I loved how versatile this kit is. The EVA handle offers grip comfort, and the telescoping nature makes it easy to store. The high density of the carbon fiber makes it surprisingly strong while remaining lightweight. Plus, the warranty gives peace of mind. Cons: the downside is that the included lures may not be the highest quality, but they are good enough for getting started. Why buy it? This kit is perfect for someone who wants a comprehensive package to get started in fishing without the hassle of picking out individual items. If you want to make fishing as simple as possible, this is the combo to grab.
Product number 3. Placino Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. Next up is the Placino Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Combo, which I found to be an exceptional choice for anyone looking for a high-quality combo. The rod has a length of 8.86 feet, providing an excellent reach for casting. The 12+1 shielded bearings in the reel allow for a smooth retrieval experience, which I noticed right away when reeling in my catch. Pros: this combo is perfect for beginners due to its ease of use. The rod's construction with high-density carbon fiber ensures durability while providing a good amount of flexibility. The welded stainless steel guides help with casting accuracy, which is a significant advantage. Cons: it can be a bit weighty when fully extended, which might not be ideal for everyone. Why buy it? If you're eager to learn and want a quality product that can grow with you as you become a more experienced angler, this rod and reel combo is an excellent investment.
Product number 4. Kodak Kids Fishing Pole Set. For families looking to introduce their children to fishing, the Kodak Kids Fishing Pole Set is a fantastic option. This set comes with 2 poles, making it perfect for siblings or friends. The 1.5 meter length is designed specifically for kids, so it's manageable for their smaller hands. I took my kids out to the local pond, and they loved using these poles. Pros: the collapsible design makes it easy to transport, and the included tackle box is a great way to keep everything organized. The EVA handle is comfortable for kids, ensuring they have a good grip while learning the ropes of fishing. Cons: the materials are not as robust as adult fishing gear, which is understandable given their target audience. Why buy it? This kit is a wonderful way to bond with your children while teaching them valuable life skills. It's simple, practical, and helps foster a love for the outdoors.
Product number 5. Zebco 202 and 404 Spincast Combo Pack. Last but not least is the Zebco 202 and 404 Spincast Combo Pack. This combo includes a pair of rods and reels, which is fantastic for anyone wanting to fish with a buddy. I took both out on a recent trip and found them easy to use. The push-button mechanics are intuitive, making it simple even for those who have never fished before. Pros: the 5-foot 6-inch fiberglass rods are durable and lightweight. The no-tangle design is a lifesaver, particularly for beginners. I appreciated the comfort provided by the EVA handles during longer fishing trips. Cons: the gear ratio of 2.8 to 1 might feel a bit slow for more experienced anglers, but it's perfect for beginners. Why buy it? If you want to double the fun or share the experience with a friend, this combo pack is an excellent choice. Zebco has a long-standing reputation for quality, making this a reliable option for any beginner.